This is the all-new Sea Ray 210 SPX. The new SPX features a self-bailing cockpit and a whole new design language. It's a keel-up new design, however, it has that Sea Ray DNA of high quality. The new SPX features a really nice revised wraparound windscreen, a flip-up bolster to your seat, and then for your passenger, you have this transverse seat here. No water sports craft is complete without decent storage, and here, the new Sea Ray delivers. You have this central keel, massive locker, perfect for all your water sports toys and skis. Once you're at anchor and you're wanting to have a little picnic on board, you've got so much entertainment space here. Perfect for your picnic at anchor. You can access the water on the SPX really nicely with this walk-through transom, but keep pets and kids safe with this little trap door. It enables you to be able to be safe underway, but then ready for water sports, walk through easily. So the aft sun pad on the Sea Ray SPX210 is fantastic, really comfortable, and also great access to the water. However, you have great serviceability for your engine with great access and a really nice, neat install. So that is the new SPX210 by Sea Ray.